But the state has no objection.
The petitioner had filed the instant petition seeking grant/release of salary of the petitioner for the post of Sahayak Adhyapak. As per the petitioner, the benefits that the petitioner had sought in the subject petition have been granted by the state. He accordingly seeks leave to withdraw the petition. Petition is consequently dismissed as withdrawn.
Channel number 3, Shri, open to Masapula.
My lord, the instant CC related to the restoration of the second appeal, my lord, which is dismissed as not compliance of the common conditional order, my lord. The registry has pointed out this defect in the original second appeal, my lord. We have failed to comply with the order of the registry of the Hon'ble court, my lord. Therefore, as the non-compliance of the common conditional order, second appeal has been dismissed by the order passed by the Hon'ble court, my lord.
What is the explanation for not curing the defects in time?
My lord, earlier the case was listed before the bench of the Hon'ble court, my lord. Subsequent, the registry has, after listing of the case, point out in this regard that there is not properly mentioning of the court fees, my lord. Therefore,
Have you paid the court fees now?
no, my lord.
Then?
After failing which, my lord, the case is listed before the Hon'ble court as the common conditional order, my lord. And to non-compliance of the order, case was dismissed, my lord. I am ready to pay the valuate the properly in the second appeal, my lord, and as per the valuation, I am ready to pay the court fee, my lord. So my humble prayer is that, my lord, can be restored the second appeal which is dismissed.
This was not registered as an MCC or it was registered and then dismissed?
My lord,
This was earlier registered or this was at the listing stage?
in the preliminary stage, my lord, the second appeal has been dismissed. See defect pointed out by the registry, my lord.
Lord, regardless of the defects, all the cases are registered. If suppose it's a second appeal, it will be registered as a second appeal, and then the registry would check it. If the defaults are there, the default would be pointed
It
out.
is checked post the registration.
No, my lord. It is post registration is checked.
It is checked.
My lord.
So what is the position? Does he have to cure the defects before the application is allowed or?
After allowing
No, my lord. It depends upon court to court, my lord. A preemptive order may be.
Court fees?
My lord, as per the default, there is no proper valuation regarding
So
to
how much
the.
is the proper valuation? How much are you deficient by?
I have not possessed the original file of the second appeal, my lord. Because today MCC listed before the my lord.
Where will I find the order of 12th March? Dismissal order of 12th March.
That is the page number 9, my lord.
Page number 9 of the application.
My
There's only 100 rupees deficit. Only 100 rupees deficit.
Thereafter,
My lord.
Third.
Take down. Where counsel for the appellant submits that the petition was dismissed on account of not paying the deficit court fee. As per the registry, the deficit court fee.
And my lord, I apologize. Second defect is also there, that the valuation is not proper. And once the valuation is corrected, only thereafter the court fees would be calculated as attained.
But the registry does not give the valuation.
Normally the registry.
There should be a valuation. It's a deficit court fee for ordinary process as per MP Gazette, rupees 100 is not paid.
That is a formal one. In every case that is required to be paid.
The registry gives the valuation.
My lord, normally whatever valuation was there done by the trial court and accepted, and the same valuation goes.
The original file I have MCC. This is an application on behalf of the appellant seeking restoration of the petition of the appeal dismissed on common condition order dated 12/3/2024 pursuant to an order of the court dated 1/12/2023, whereby appellant was directed to make good the deficit court fee. The registry is directed to place on record a report with regard to the court fee liable to be paid as per the registry on the appeal. List on. Give it after vacations.
Serial number 4, Shri Abhijit Awasthi.
Obliged.
Look, this is also an application for the restoration of miscellaneous appeal. It was dismissed for under defaults.
Similar.
No, there was a default in the
What was the
first
default?
title. The applicant number 1 and 2 were not made a party. There were 3 defaults, 2 were cured, 1 was not cured within time,
Now
and
you've
therefore the
cured it.
appeal was dismissed.
Have you cured it now?
And we'll cure the defaults. Once the appeal is restored, we'll cure the defaults.
Appellant seeks restoration of the appeal dismissed for non-compliance of the common conditional order pursuant to order dated 16/3/2023. Learned counsel for the appellant assures that the subject defect shall be cured within a period of 4 weeks from today. The statement is taken on record subject to appellant curing the defect within a period of 4 weeks, or make it 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
The appeal shall be restored.
I'm organized.
Is it to be listed or the registry will list it?
So,
Is there a date to be given or the registry would list it automatically?
registry will list the matter. Once
And it is restored, not then the registry will automatically.
Registry will automatically.
Number 5, Shri Suresh Tripathi.
With an application for restoration of second appeal 441 of 15, Your Lordship, that was dismissed my lord, due to my non-appearance, Your Lordship. I have given my affidavit, Your Lordship, that I was held up before another court, Your Lordship, when the matter was called up for hearing, Your Lordship. With the second appeal, my lord, the form.
Where will we have the order sheet?
Yeah, my lord, direction A1 is the order sheet, my lord, whereby my second appeal was dismissed, Your Lordship. My lord will find that at page number 8 and 9, Your Lordship, of my restoration application, my lord. It was an admitted second appeal, Your Lordship. It was listed for final hearing, Your Lordship. But on that day, my lord,
इसमें pages नहीं है. Who's appearing for the respondent?
I am for respondent number 2, my lord.
And what about respondent number 1?
My lord, they were served, my lord, and Mr. Mahen Pateria, my lord, he is appearing for the respondent. Copy was served upon him, Lord. Upon him,
The
Your Lord.
notice will have to be issued to him.
My lord, there's no delay, Your Lordship. Normal practice, Your Lordship, that unless and until, my lord, on delay
No, but
application.
for restoration, not delay. Restoration, if he's here, we can restore it. If he's not here, notice needs to be,
As Your Lordship, please. As Your Lordship, please.
though he was not present on the day when the appeal
But,
was raised.
the normal practice, Your Lordship, unless if there's a delay, my lord, then notices are issued, my lord.
No, that's on the condonation.
I'm just stating what is normal practice in our High Court, Your Lordship. That is what my submission is, Your Lordship. If there's a delay, my lord, then notices are issued, Your Lordship, and then thereafter rest to matter is that.
Yes.
My lord, the provisions of CPC would apply. It's an admitted appeal here.
Issue notice accepted by learned counsel appearing for respondent number 2, who submits that he has no objection to the appeal being restored. Where a notice shall issue to respondent number 1, returnable on. Is there a practice of giving a returnable date or?
Returnable date may be given by
Week commencing is may be given, Your Lordship. And PF within certain date, my lord,
Courts
then
may
week
give.
commencing may be given.
discretion.
346 days.
there's an application for condonation of delay.
Then 4 में ना order card देना, इसमें notice करना. Notice on the condonation of delay application. Returnable on. Returnable week commencing so and so. And इसमें भी returnable week commencing so and so. Process be filed. You'll be able to file it during vacations or after vacation?
If there's an order, my lord, then the registry will accept that.
Within 2 weeks.